By the power vested upon me as chairperson of the Second Department, I declare you graduate.
And we will now distribute the certificate of completion to everybody. So please approach to whenever you're ready to go. First, graduate. Ano ka pala na content analysis? Na-excite tuloy ako sa inyo. Hindi na ako magpag-powder. University of the Philippines Institute for Small Scale Industries has been known that name of participants has fulfilled all the requirements of the 84th Manager's Course from April 14 to August 25, 2007, conducted by this institute in cooperation with the Small Enterprises Research and Development Foundation, and by virtue of which is awarded this certificate of completion. In witness whereof, the seal of the Institute for Small Scale Industries and the signatures of the Director of the Institute and the President of the Small Enterprises Research and Development Foundation are hereunto approved. Given at Quezon City, Philippines, the 25th day of August, 2007, signature Professor C. Alonzo, UPI Assistant Director, and Paterno D. Deloria, President, Service. Let me call on Ms. Leia E. Adams.
Summa cum laude.
Okay, Mr. Roman D. Busia Jr.
Hey! Ikaw nga, Jules, para maayos.
Miss Elijah
Wait.
Carapoto.
Push, di ko nakuha eh.
Picture. Tanggalin mo nga kasi yung camera. Gagraduate ako. Eh, wala ka na mag-graduate na ako. Kasi pa natin bawiin yan. Vicente J. Decal, padala ko sa mo.
Uy, magkasunod. Gantihan to, gantihan.
Uy, humarap ka dito para may remembrance.
Ay, paano ito lang?
Nenita M. de la Cruz. Nakarangan din yung view, ha? What? Marami sa video. Yan. Mamaya pa-speech ka natin. Mr. Romel De Leon.
Magna cum laude.
Kala ko nakasabit pa rin yung picture.
Okay lang to. Recording to, recording.
Recording, okay. Okay.
Video to video.
Cesar Dunga.
Yeah! Woo!
Alam ko, mari mo. Mari.
Seryo.
Myra, her
Fernandez.
honorable, ano ba yun? Judge Myra G. Fernandez.
Please rise.
Please rise.
Court no invocation.
Picture, picture.
Ayun ba yun?
1, 2, 3. Dami sip-sip talaga.
Nalagay sa coffee yan eh.
Yun daw, pagka nakakaso sila.
Tama na ka rin.
Mag-i-inhibit yan.
Kung ba kayo sa isa, talaga makapag-picture kayo?
Yes.
Just that or Ada?
Ay.
Hindi ko alam.
Paano ba?
Ayun, sa camera mo na lang.
Camera mo.
Ayan, 1, 2, 3.
I love you. Julius Caesar.
Ano yung parent? Parent.
Wait, ma'am, ito sa start to.
Kanina, alam niyo na naisahan ako ni Julius pagkatapos ng presentation at iniyakap niya talaga ako talaga. Hindi na ako Maynard, you won.
Ah, Maynard pala pangalan mo?
Maynard sa umaga.
Maynard.
Narda sa gabi.
Carlos A. Legazpi.
Pare, ako yun.
Carlos pala pangalan mo?
Aloy.
Narda sa gabi.
Pero may manusot niya, graduate na
Documentation.
High expectation. Tapos na po.
Okay, yung ating star for all season. Isa lang yung star for all season. Karan Labong.
Split, split.
Yeah.
Yes, pero may dapat may UP. Okay na.
Okay. Kanina nag-rehearse si Tala. Sabi niya, question mo, kunwari best tanongin mo ko. Anong question mo?
Ah, nandito ba yung pre?
Sabi ni Glenn, pag tinanong mo ako, tanongin mo ko, why did you join this contest? Me? Join this contest? Why did I join this contest? Thank you.
Bagay. Isa ka kasundan ng tahan.
Governor Salazar, if you were being Kuchatin, what Kuchatin, yung plan ka na ng honor, what should you have done? And something like that. What should you have done in your company? What was your answer? Kalimutan ko na ang dami eh. Siya similar question. Hindi naalala ko lang yung rehearsal mo. Okay, now, let's continue. Miss Carmelita Papelio.
Sana ako sa yan.